Now that we know how to use Vidiq in the basic form, it's time to use it in its advanced form. So to do that, we're going back to this top bar here and toggle the button where it says search panel. And then we are presented with all this data. So we're going to go through it one by one and see how it relates and how it improves the data that we have already presented here. So the trending video, this is something that you can get if you have the paid version of Vidiq, and together with the create an email alert, you need the paid version. Basically what this does is every time there is a development, a new video, a new potential idea for a video, you will receive an email. But you can also set that up in the paid version of Vidiq, and it will let you know on a daily basis what you could work with and suggest titles and videos idea, so that it has identified as being potential for you to rank high in a search result. Now, the thing that Vidiq extension and Vidiq is best known for is this colored chart here. So how does it work? Basically, when you enter your keyword, Vidiq crunch up some numbers, look at stats, and gives you an idea of the volume of searches per month and the competition for that keyword. And it has some analytics and spews out different values, different numbers. Take those with a pinch of salt, whether it's a 78 or 75 or an 80, it's marginal, but like everything in traffic light system, this is a traffic light system, green is good, red is bad. If your volume is low, it will become red. If you have a high volume of search, it will become green. Therefore here, the mid-journey keyword has a high volume of search. Now, does this make sense? We know that it is a single word keyword, and single word keyword it's a broad question. So it can give any answer and every answer. Like we've seen, these video titles are different from one another. They all talk about mid-journey, they have got that in common, but they have different title and different subject treated in each videos. There is a theme, the theme is mid-journey. So because that's a single word keyword, it makes sense that there's a huge volume of search. The second one is the competition. If your competition is red, it's bad. If your competition is green, it's good. Here it's not so green. The competition is low. In other words, there is little competition that you will face when you're posting a video with the keyword mid-journey. Now, does this make sense? Yes, it's a single word keyword. Everything and anything related to mid-journey can be published using mid-journey as a keyword. So ultimately the competition is pretty low because it's highly unlikely that two videos will have the exact same title. Or if two videos have the same exact title, that they will fight each other to have the higher ranking position in a search result. So here for a single word keyword, we have a high volume of competition, a high volume and a low competition, which is excellent. This is what you want, and you want that figure to be as close as possible to 100. Ultimately, what you want, the golden goose, if you want, the grail, is a volume that is close to 100 and a competition that is in the low. It would mean that somehow you find a search term that is potentially searched by everyone, and there's nobody doing any videos on it. Now, I do think that's unlikely, but I don't think that's impossible. So to summarize, this is an indicator here that combines Vidiq estimation of volume for this keyword and the competition level for this keyword. And the greener the volume, the more volume you have, the greener the competition, the lower the competition. Obviously, this arrow, depending on the keyword, moves up and down. Then you have a detail on the search term. So your search term is mid-journey. The highest view video has over 2.1 million views. Yes. That's that one. Average view 250, let's say 250,000. We can't compute that because we don't have time to do it. We'll have to trust Vidiq for that. Average subscriber count for all the channel is about 400,000, but we've seen that some small channels have managed to rank quite high, this one being number one. There's a 300 here, there's a 62 here, there's another 62 here, two from the same channel actually. 330, 11 Midjourney fast hours, 11, 600, 97, 3.58k, 40k views, so 62k, 63k, 300k views. So the average seems to be skewed by a high number of very, very big channel. Where's the one with the 2 million? There you go. A high number of channel with a huge number of subscribers versus a small number with a small amount of subscribers. How many videos were added the last 7 days? 2 out of 18. So it's using 18 as the 18 top videos. CC, I cannot remember what that is, but 5 out of 18. Average age, on average, a Midjourney video is 7 months old. Times in title. So how many times has the word Midjourney appeared in the title? Well, since we only have one keyword, Midjourney, every video is about Midjourney, every title is going to have Midjourney. So the top 18 video considered, well, 18 of those videos have Midjourney in the title. How many times has Midjourney appeared in the description? Now, this is a little bit questionable from Vidiq because I can see here Midjourney in the description. I hope it's not case sensitive. Let's see. No, it's not case sensitive. So let's go back to Midjourney like that. So as you can see, this is not exact science. This video is now higher up than the other one. I'm in incognito, so things change all the time. Meaning people have watched it and YouTube has redone its algorithm. So number of time Midjourney appears in the description. Do pay attention. One here, one here, one here, one here. So it has appeared in the description. And the top creator, Future Tech Pilot. So this guy here is the top creator for Midjourney, meaning he has this channel has the highest number of video which have this keyword in the titles. And then you are given the top 3 channels for this search term: Future Tech, Futurepedia, and Glibbertree. So Futurepedia is the person who made this video that we looked at, that I used as an example in the previous section. But you can check that easily. Just click on the channel, look at the videos. Let's have a look. Midjourney, 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 Midjourney. This guy seems to be pretty good at Midjourney. I mean, if he can pull things like this, he's pretty good. If he can pull things like that, he's good. That one as well. So if you were to want to create a channel about Midjourney, I would definitely check this person out and take ideas and learn from him. And he also has a school page. But let's go back here. So top 3 channel for this search term, Midjourney being the search term, Future Tech Pilot, Futurepedia, and Glibbertree. Now this is where we're going to see a screen that Vidiq is famous for. In addition to Midjourney being the keyword that we're searching for, Vidiq is telling you some opportunities. And you can see they're also using the color scheme that we talked about here. And you can see that it's becoming orange and the numbers are decreasing, getting closer to 0. So the overall value is moving in that direction, moving away from the ground. If you look, these are no longer single word keywords, they are long-term keywords. Long-term keywords mean that, long-tail keywords, sorry, means that we're asking a more refined question, a more precise question, and we want an answer that is as precise and accurate as possible. So, in other words, there should be less and less videos that will have a title that will get as close to or be exactly our long tail keyword. Therefore, the total number of videos will decrease, and maybe also the competition will increase. If there are less videos being made, there's a higher competition. But you can see all the keywords, and this is the screen that Vidiq is famous for. So the Vidiq Chrome extension is also known as the keyword inspector here. In the full-blown Vidiq, either free or paid, it's also called keyword inspector. None of these options that you see here graded out are accessible in the Chrome extension. They all are behind a paywall, and to a certain extent you can use a few of them for free. But it doesn't matter, the keyword inspector is really important. So you have a search bar. The keyword that you've selected in YouTube is here. It's giving you its rating, 78 out of 100. Like I said, 75, 80 makes no difference. But that number should tell you that there is either a high volume or a low competition. And like we said, because it's a single word keyword, it makes sense that there's a high figure here. Now, ignore the trending videos, it's irrelevant right now. We are faced with a table that is presented as follows: related keywords, related score, search volume, competition, and overall score. So if you remember what we saw here, we had a value for volume and a word for competition, low competition, high volume. But from this here, we can't tell what is the number of searches per month for this search term. Whereas if you click here, you will see that there's roughly 600,000 searches every month for the keyword Midjourney, which is a fair amount of searches. The competition is low and the overall score is 78. It makes sense that the competition is low because there are so many searches. Virtually everyone with the word Midjourney in a title is a potential success story to be discovered by YouTube and by YouTube viewers. So that's your baseline keyword, that's the one that you have. And then Vidiq will give you a list of all related keywords. So Midjourney AI, that's a long tail keyword, 50,000 searches per month, which is a lot, but that's 10 times less than a single word keyword. The competition is low, but a lot less volume, low competition, the overall score decreases. It's harder to rank high with it. Midjourney tutorial, a bit more searches, low competition, 70. And you go through it and you can see that there's 198. Now, you may not want to go through every single one of them. So what I do is I always go by overall score. I want to see what is easy to score for. I want a competition that is low or very low. Mostly because if I start a YouTube channel, I can't pretend to be able to compete with channels which have 6 months, which have been producing content for 6 months, 10 months, 12 months, 2 years, 3 years, with tens or hundreds of thousands of subscribers. However, we've seen in previous section that it's possible. But to start on a solid footing, maybe there is something low competition, high traffic that I can, high volume search that I can try to rank for. Now, if I have a title that is just AI news, it's not going to do well. Everybody will have AI news in the title, but I can see that potentially there's even more traffic and a low competition. Flux AI, definitely something that a lot of people are talking about. So maybe Flux AI in my title with other stuff will be interesting. Low as well. Ideogram AI, honestly I have no idea what it is, but low, Midjourney editor and so forth, and you can go through it. You can go through it overall score, you can go through it by competition. You can see that it also gives you different alphabets, keywords. You can go by volume. You're more interested in volume than anything else, either small volume or high volume, or you can go by rated score. And rated score is how close to the original keyword is the related keyword linked to. So obviously Midjourney AI is pretty close to Midjourney, Midjourney tutorial, tips, and so forth. So the choice is yours. Whether you want to focus on overall score, competition, it's up to you. But truly, you need to be a bit more inquisitive than that. And what I mean by that is, first of all, when you do a search on a keyword, you want multiple incognito windows open. And the reason for that is you can always say, okay, I'm going to start with my main keyword, a single keyword, and see what's coming. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to use the prompt tutorial example that I used in previous section. So in my second one, I'm going to put Midjourney back. And Midjourney back, we know is a 78. So let me put it here. So Midjourney is a 78. Lot of volume, low competition. Midjourney prompt tutorial, long tail keyword, therefore a more narrow search, therefore less volume, which means that it's likely to be of a higher competition. If there are less videos produced, more videos are competing against each other. I can see here that I've got a volume much less than just Midjourney keyword, and I've got a competition that is relatively low. Now, here it says that the title, there are no titles with Midjourney prompt tutorial. Now, the quickest way to check if that is true is you copy the keyword you're searching, Control F to find to open a find box, and you paste it in. And it's telling you it's found 3, but what is found is your search, a repeat of the search term by Vidiq, a repeat of the search term a third time by Vidiq, and nothing else. So out of all the data that Vidiq can find, there is no videos with Midjourney prompt tutorial. I mean, I know that I've been over that, but here you can see that it is the case. And you can see, interestingly, that even though there are no videos with this exact long-term keyword, Futurepedia is now first, Midjourney keyword Futurepedia is second, Midjourney prompt tutorial, now Future Tech Pilot is second, Future Tech Pilot was number 1 with Midjourney, and then the third one is Wade McMaster Creator Impact. Again, somebody new. And we can see keywords. Now, obviously, because I've got a long tail keyword, there are going to be a lesser number of keywords that relate to this long tail keyword. So let's open it. Let's ignore this. Now, related score, let's have a look. You can see that the related score are relatively low. If my long tail keyword is Midjourney prompt tutorial, AI image generator, even though it's in the same niche, this long tail keyword here isn't really super related to this one. So if I click again on related score, it's going to go decreasing. So Midjourney tutorial is close to Midjourney prompt tutorial, etc., etc. Let's look by overall score. You can see that it's average competition. Midjourney, the one that we know, being relatively high overall score, because it's a open-ended question. Give me everything about Midjourney. But if you look at Midjourney prompt tutorial, 1,600 people are searching for that exact keyword in YouTube. So a video with that exact keyword would potentially interest 1,600 people per month. And this overall score exists because we have a volume that is average and a low competition. So looking at that number alone may put you off, but the competition is low and there isn't a big volume because only 1,600 people are searching for this. We can search by competition, from very high to low, or very low to high. So for instance, Midjourney V6 prompts, again 1,600 people are searching for that, 62, so that's better. Midjourney consistent character, that's an interesting one, 35,850 per month, that's a lot, and the overall score is 74. So let's have a look at this, Midjourney consistent character. Let's open a third window and let's type Midjourney consistent character. And you can see how you're starting to go down the rabbit hole. We started with Midjourney, we went to Midjourney prompt tutorial, we clicked here, and we found Midjourney consistent character. Now we're going to Midjourney consistent character. Let's have a look. Decent volume, very low competition, and it's telling us two titles have that exact long tail keyword. So we're going to copy it, open a find search, paste in it. So 2 out of 30. So let's have a look. Yeah. So now he's saying he's found 30, right? Here, Vidiq, you said 2 titles out of 20, and the search bar says he's found 30 times when Midjourney consistent character appeared. So we know this one, 1, 2, 3. We have Midjourney consistent design, character design, Midjourney consistent characters. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times on the first page. There isn't a single video on the first page where it shows. Midjourney consistent character, boom. 669 subscribers 9 months ago did 6.4k view, 96 times its average. And look where it is. So it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The video number 19 has the exact long tail keyword in its title. And it's done remarkably well because we know that this search term is valuable. There's a high volume and it's a very low competition. And you can see from this search term, Midjourney consistent character, you can again click here and you're going to have 187 suggestion. And then you can go again and do the same thing. Either overall score, that will give you some related idea. Here, Amazon KDP, don't care. You can go by competition, very low. Search volume, AI obviously is related, or related score. Here's another one, Midjourney consistent character design. So it's just one word after. 1900 searches per month, very low. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our search technique, add a backspace at the end, a space at the end of the long-term keyword, and it shows design. So let's go to that one, and you can see it's very low, has got small volume, and you can keep on doing this again and again and again. You can go down the rabbit hole and never escape it, so you have to be realistic with yourself and ask yourself, okay, my channel, is my channel a big channel or a small channel? A small channel. So I want to, let's use that example again. What do I want to rank for? Ideally, I want to rank for terms which have a good amount of search and a low competition. But as you can see here, Midjourney consistent character, I've got cling, so no good. So if we go back to Midjourney, I've got that as well, that problem. So can I do by competition? No, this is no good. Search volume, I have problem. Maybe rated score. Because I'm in the Midjourney niche, the rated score will be better. And then if I'm dedicated to having a Midjourney based channel, do it that way. Midjourney tutorial, Midjourney tip, Midjourney, how to use Midjourney. And start by trying out videos based on the low competition, the high volume. Now, what this version of Vidiq Lite, I would say, doesn't have, that the full Vidiq has, here you have the related keywords. The paid version of Vidiq has the matching keywords, and that allows you to dig much deeper into long tail keywords. So when you're selecting your keyword based on the extension, again, have many of those tabs open and look at how people are phrasing their title, and try to learn from the better one, the one which have the best number of views relative to the subscribers. Again, if we go, is it this one? No, consistent character. If we go to this one, we have yeah, let's take this one for instance. 154 subscribers, 1.8k, how to create consistent characters in Midjourney, full tutorial, typical type of tutorial title, excellent. Maybe you can do something like this. Let's go back, yeah. Midjourney consistent character tutorial, breakthrough method. Have a look at little channel that I've managed to have a huge X, and compare their title with the bigger channels, and then craft a title. And as you can see, as we've seen, if I go here and I click, I click on that video, we can see that titles have changed. So even the big channel experiment with different title. When it doesn't work, they change it, they let it run for a few days, see what happens and change it. And we've seen with, is it this one? Maybe it was another one. We've seen with in a previous section that changing the title has an impact. So I'll stop there. This is how you take full advantage of the Vidiq Chrome extension. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them below. If this was helpful and you would like another type of video about Vidiq or something else, let me know as well. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate that, and I'll see you in another video. Ciao.